everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I love making videos about home decor, DIYs, thrifting, upcycling. If you're into that kind of content, then please subscribe and give this video a like and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. In today's video, I'm going to be making over my office room, and I'm going to be doing this with zero budget and only a couple of hours. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I have been extremely busy. I've been putting off making over this room in forever, and there's just been other priorities that I've been focusing on, and it's just one thing after another. And now I'm at a point where I'm spending like 12 to 15 hours in this room, and I hate it. So I really need to do something, whatever I can, with the few hours that I have. I don't have time to go shopping. I don't have time to paint the walls or try to find a new desk. I'm just gonna have to work with what I have. So I'm gonna show you what the room looks like right now, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, here we go, guys. This is the current situation in my office. So my desk is an absolute mess, and I hate how many cords are everywhere. And this section is where I actually do my job. This section is where I make my YouTube videos. I play video games and that kind of stuff on my gaming computer. And then I have this little dresser here that I absolutely love. It was vintage. I found it on Let Go. And I have my little Christmas decor, which I will be removing today. And here I have this chair, which is broken and needs to go out of here. And then I have a random box that I need to recycle. I have this little shelving unit that I plan to put up today. And then in this corner here, I have a chair and a little footstool, but it's just really not placed very properly. And here in this corner, I have another little like storage organization unit, and I literally have like papers all over, random box and all that stuff. So
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me.
Okay, so I got the little shelf up, and I got the picture frame up, and I'm just gonna work on my desk now, because my desk, I need to do some cable management and stuff like that. So let's get started on that.
It's still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no.
right, guys, so this is what I have so far. It is the next day and the room looks so much better than before. I'm really happy with how it turned out and how much less clutter there is. So I ended up putting up this shelf and I put all of my camera lenses on here, and I really like how that looks. I think all I'm gonna do is maybe add a little like succulent on top of here to just kind of give it a little bit of color because it looks super just black right now. Bernie, please go away for a minute, please. Give me just a second. I want this door closed. Hi. What? All right, whatever. All right. So I left a couple of my Christmas things up. Didn't really feel like changing that out yet. I have my Rae Dunn candle and a couple of other things here. I will fix that at a later time, but just didn't have time to worry about that right now. And then my desk, I tried my hardest to do something about cable management and it just didn't work. I try to use tape to just kind of tape some of it up and out of the way, but there's still an obscene amount of cables that are driving me crazy. I will be changing out this desk. I really don't like this desk anymore. I got it like 3-4 years ago, and my style was very different, as you can see. Yeah, so since this desk just doesn't work for me anymore, I'm just going to wait until I get another desk. Hopefully whatever other desk I get is already gonna have some kind of cable management built into it and I won't have to worry so much. But yeah, I switched out I had so many pens and pencils, and I just put like the few that I actually like and use here. I have my like Rae Dunn ones, and I have a couple, like another one, and then pencils because I really like to write in pencils sometimes. So I just decided to keep it simple. And then like in here, I just have some like lotion, perfume, some sunscreen, just random stuff that I like to have on hand as I'm working. I really don't like this lamp. I think I'm going to paint it, but that's a project for another day. And other than that, I'm really happy with how this looks now. I think it looks much, much better, especially like if you look at it from this side, it looks nice and tidy and organized. And over here, I have my chair. I still don't like the placement of this chair. I think I'm going to move it to like this corner eventually, but for right now, it's all right. I'm gonna figure out what to do about that later. And then this cable, it's an Ethernet cable and I need it right now, but hopefully soon they'll fix my other one because I have another Ethernet outlet behind this dresser, but it just doesn't work. All right, so I pushed the chair back in the corner so I have a little bit more space. And back there is a little fan that I do use every once in a while, but right now it's winter, so I don't need it. And then I need another place to put like this basket of toys for Bernie, but my door is completely scratched by this guy because I used to put him in here when I'm like retrieving a package so he doesn't scare people, but he would scratch at the door. So I need to sand that and repaint it, but it's not a big deal. I'll be able to do that pretty quickly. And then I organized this a little bit. Nothing too crazy though, because this like is just something that I plan on changing very, very soon. So I'm just using it to organize. I'm just using it to like keep things contained. And then I'm gonna figure out what to do like in the near future when I do a complete room makeover and, you know, change things out more drastically. Right now, I only had a little bit of time and I really wanted to make a big impact with the little time that I had and the little like, the few actual items that I was using, because like the only really new thing I added is this little shelf that I had bought for this office a long time ago, and it was in my car and I never put it up. And then since I use this computer to like charge stuff on it, I ended up putting this basket as like a area to store all the things that are charging. And then I just was wearing my hat, that's why that's there. But this is kind of like helping me like catch all of the clutter on top of that. And that's pretty much it. I feel so much better now when I come in here and start working. I am not staring at like a crazy mess all the time. And I just feel like in a totally different mind space and a lot more just peaceful. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick room makeover slash cleaning slash organization. And I will be back with more videos soon. January is the craziest month of the year. Well, I said that about December, but really December and January are like my busiest times of the year. So I don't have a lot of time for other stuff, but I really, really appreciate you guys sticking around, and I really appreciate all of the comments and likes that you are leaving me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year.